If you're thinking about buying out your leased car, there are 4 things you have to know about loan rates before you sign anything. Because the truth is, what you don't know could cost you thousands. So let's break it down. What is a lease buyout loan rate exactly? So when you decide to buy out your lease, you're usually financing the remaining value of your car, and that's called the residual value. So this is how much it costs to buy your car from the manufacturer. And that's where your lease buyout loan rate comes in. It's the interest rate you'll pay on the money you borrow to complete the purchase of your car. So think of it like a regular auto loan, but sometimes with a few quirks or different lender options. So the next thing is, what kind of rate should you expect? Well, rates can vary, but generally, if you have decent credit, you'll see lease buyout rates between 4 and 9%. And that range depends on a few factors like your credit score, the lender you choose, the term length of your loan, and the age or condition of your car. But here's the catch. Dealerships don't always give you the best rate. So in fact, they often add a lot of markup. So if you're not shopping around, you're probably overpaying. So what affects your rate and how can you get a better one? Credit score. So the higher score you have, better rate. Aim for 700 plus if you can. Loan term. Shorter terms usually mean lower rates overall. Down payment. The more you put down, the less you borrow, and that lowers your interest paid. Market trends. If interest rates are rising, you may want to lock in a rate sooner rather than later. And fourth, where should you get your financing? Well, you've got options. Banks, credit unions, online lenders, or a platform like Lease End. So Lease End is built specifically for lease buyout. So instead of cold calling banks or playing games with the dealership, you can get pre-qualified offers from top lenders in minutes. So there's no dealership pressure, no DMV paperwork, and no guessing. Lease End does the ever-important shopping around for you. To wrap it up, if you understand these 4 key things about lease buyout loan rates, you'll be in a much better spot to take control of your car and your wallet. And if you want a shortcut to compare rates without the hassle, just check out Lease End. We'll help you buy out your car the smart way.
Lease End. End your lease, keep your car.